Number 1. 1988 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,995. It has been exceptionally well preserved over the years. With only 105,000 miles on the odometer, it showcases a balance between vintage appeal and reliable performance. Under the hood, it's powered by a 5.2-liter V8 engine mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering the strong and steady performance that Dodge trucks of this era are known for. Its rear-wheel drive setup ensures a traditional driving experience with smooth handling and power you can feel. The exterior is finished in a striking blue paint, complemented by a clean and well-maintained gray interior that reflects the care and attention this vehicle has received. Additional highlights include running boards for easier access, aftermarket wheels that add a touch of modern style, and a set of great tires that enhance both ride quality and safety. Number 2. 1988 Dodge Ram 1500, price $10,000, finished in white with a brown interior. It features a 7.5L V8 engine known for strength and reliability. The truck runs, drives, and tows exceptionally well, ready for a cross-country trip without hesitation. All features work properly, including power windows, power locks, cruise control, radio, hot heat, cold AC, and trailer brakes. Recent maintenance includes new front brake lines, calipers, distributor, ignition wires, LED interior lights, and newer tires. Cosmetically, it has some rust on the front fender, a small rust spot on the cab, peeling paint on the roof, and cracks in the fiberglass bed. The headliner is sagging, the bed needs bolts, and the emergency brake needs adjustment. Number 3. 1992 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,995, rust-free regular cab short bed truck that originally came from Oregon and has been in Minnesota for only 3 years, never driven during the winter. It shows 126,000 miles on the odometer and runs on a dependable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in eye-catching yellow with a gray interior, this Sierra features cold air conditioning, strong heat, and fully functional electrical components. Everything works as it should. Although the body and paint aren't flawless, the truck remains solid and impressively clean for its age. Additional highlights include genuine 22-inch OEM chrome snowflake wheels and professionally tinted windows that add a stylish touch. Overall, this Sierra combines classic American truck character with solid mechanical reliability and a clean, rust-free body. Number 4. 1978 Ford F150, price $10,000, recently restored. The truck features numerous new components including a refreshed seat, new interior rug, Apple CarPlay system, power steering pump, fuel filter, master cylinder, and a new center link. The exterior was repainted just 4 months ago, with all body rust professionally repaired during the process. Additionally, the rear window has been replaced with a brand new one, complete with a new seal. The truck runs smoothly and performs exceptionally well, reflecting the care and attention invested in its maintenance. With its powerful engine, clean interior, and restored exterior, this F-150 offers both reliability and vintage charm, making it a standout example of a well-preserved classic pickup. Number 5. 1990 Ford F-150, price $4,100. This truck is a classic pickup that embodies both strength and character. Powered by a 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it has only 92,000 original miles, making it a well-preserved example of Ford's durable craftsmanship. The truck features a sleek gray exterior complemented by a vibrant red interior, giving it a timeless yet bold look. It runs on gasoline and was last started in 2021 before being parked and stored in the backyard since then. While it will require towing to its next destination, this F-150 is ready for a new home and some well-deserved attention. With its low mileage, classic styling, and solid foundation, this vintage Ford pickup is a perfect candidate for restoration or for any enthusiast looking to bring a piece of American truck history back to life. Number 6. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,400. The truck features an automatic transmission and a gold exterior. With 180,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs and drives just as it should. Both the air conditioning and heating systems function perfectly, as does the radio. It comes equipped with brand new tires and has 0 miles on its fresh oil and filter change. Additionally, it has a new distributor and ignition coil, while the previous owner recently installed a new battery and fuel sending unit. Although the hood and fender show some damage, the truck remains mechanically sound and well maintained overall. Key features include reliable performance, a smooth automatic transmission, a comfortable cabin with working climate control, and recent maintenance updates ensuring it's ready for the road. Number 7. 1998 Chevrolet Silverado, price $7,000. It has approximately 131,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a burgundy exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The Silverado is powered by a 5.7L engine paired with a 4L80 transmission, delivering reliable performance and smooth shifting. The truck currently has around 30,000 miles on a GM Goodwrench replacement engine, ensuring strong mechanical condition. Despite showing some rust on the rockers and cab corners and minor hail damage, it remains mechanically sound and fully functional. Additional highlights include a flip-up fifth-wheel ball in the bed, making it ideal for towing or hauling. Overall, this Silverado offers durability, power, and practicality, a dependable classic truck with proven performance and character. Number 8. 1983 Ford F150, price $9,000. It comes equipped with an automatic overdrive transmission and runs on gasoline, delivering a smooth and dependable driving experience. The exterior is finished in a clean white color, while the interior features a warm tan tone that complements the truck's vintage character. Powered by a strong 302 engine, this F150 offers classic V8 performance and reliability. The transmission has only 596 miles since being completely rebuilt and fitted with a new converter prior to restoration, ensuring excellent drivability. Recently, the owner invested over $24,000 in upgrades and restorations, including a wide range of new LMC truck parts, mechanical rebuilds, and hard-to-find interior components sourced from eBay. Additional improvements include a Line-X-coated bed, new cab rubbers, refreshed tailgate, and upgraded suspension components, all contributing to both its durability and appeal. Number 9. 2000 GMC 2500, price $8,600, equipped with a 5.7L Vortec gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, delivering a strong and smooth driving experience. It features a two-wheel drive system and a spacious four-door configuration, making it both practical for work and comfortable for everyday use. With approximately 279,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has clearly been driven and cared for, as reflected in its well-kept interior that remains in great condition. The exterior is complemented by a solid set of tires, ensuring confident traction and performance on various road surfaces. Known for its reliability and power, this GMC 2500 offers the perfect blend of strength, comfort, and durability. Number 10. 1992 Chevrolet S10, price $3,200. It has covered 112,000 miles and runs on gasoline. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a 2.8L V6 engine, offering both reliability and efficiency, an ideal choice for a first-time truck owner or anyone seeking a dependable daily driver with good fuel economy. Finished in red inside and out, this S10 stands out with its vintage appeal. The truck has received significant maintenance and upgrades, including a new clutch, new brakes, a new fuel pump, and a rebuilt throttle body. It has also undergone a complete tune-up and a recent coolant system flush, ensuring smooth operation. Inside, it's equipped with a JVC radio system paired with JBL speakers, delivering quality sound for every drive.